Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights. I'm your host, David. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a spotlight on an important article: Asbestos Removal Newcastle, Safe and Reliable Services in Mount Hutton. This piece covers vital information for anyone living or working in the Newcastle area, especially Mount Hutton. Asbestos Removal Newcastle specialises in offering safe, compliant services for both homes and businesses. We're fully licensed and certified, adhering to the strictest safety protocols and environmentally responsible disposal methods. What does that mean for you? It means guaranteed well-being for your family and environment. Our team knows Newcastle's unique buildings and the common asbestos risks, so you're getting local expertise. We pride ourselves on quick, efficient service, minimising disruption so you can get back to normal swiftly and confidently. Isn't that what everyone wants when dealing with something as serious as asbestos? Now, you might be wondering, with all these options out there, why us? Well, our article highlights some clear reasons. We're talking fully licensed professionals and safe, responsible disposal. We offer tailored services for both residential and commercial properties, responding rapidly to minimize any disruption to your daily life. Our local experts truly understand the specific asbestos risks in this region. And speaking of peace of mind, let's tackle a couple of frequently asked questions from the article. Firstly, what should I do if I think I have asbestos in my home? The absolute key is don't disturb it. Give us a call and our certified professionals will conduct a detailed assessment. Secondly, how do you guarantee safe and compliant asbestos removal? We strictly adhere to all Australian safety protocols and local regulations. Our team is licensed and follows best practices every step of the way, ensuring safety for you and the environment. Ultimately, asbestos removal isn't just another task. It's a necessity for guaranteeing the safety and well-being of you and your community. The dangers of asbestos exposure are well known, causing serious health issues. You deserve to breathe easy, free from the anxiety of potential exposure. Investing in professional services means a safer living environment, whether it's your family home or a bustling office here in Mount Hutton. Don't risk your safety with DIY methods or less experienced services. The implications of improper removal can be staggering. We guarantee every surface is left safe and sound. When you choose us, you gain peace of mind, knowing your space is in capable hands. Our prompt response and certified professionals mean you'll be back to normal faster. So, if you're concerned about asbestos, don't wait. Book a call with our asbestos removal team today for a free consultation and make safety your priority. We're here to help you create a safer space in Mount Hutton.